What if I told you that some of the most extraordinary, mind-bending landscapes in the universe aren't light years away on distant planets, but right here on Earth? A glacier that bleeds, caves that glow like galaxies, or mountains painted in rainbow stripes. These aren't CGI, they're real places on your planet. And today, we're taking you to 15 locations so strange, so surreal, they look like they belong on another world. Welcome to Earth, at its most alien. 1. Blood Falls, Antarctica. A glacier that bleeds. If horror movies had glaciers, this would be the star. From deep within the Taylor Glacier, a bright red waterfall spills out across the ice. It's not blood, but iron-rich, oxygen-free water that oxidizes when exposed to air. The result? A glacier that bleeds. Totally real and totally disturbing. 2. Wedamo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Deep beneath New Zealand's rolling hills lies a living galaxy. Thousands of glowworms light up the cave ceiling with an eerie blue-green glow, mimicking a starry sky. As you drift by boat in silence, it feels like sailing through the Milky Way underground. It's peaceful, haunting, and totally surreal. 3. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, Earth's giant mirror. High in the Andes lies the world's largest salt flat. But after the rains, Salar de Uyuni transforms into Earth's biggest mirror. A thin film of water reflects the sky so perfectly that the horizon vanishes. It's so precise, NASA uses it to calibrate satellites. Sky above, sky below, you'll forget which way is up. 4. Singi de Bamaraha, Madagascar. The razor-sharp stone forest. No, this isn't CGI. The Singi de Bimaraha is a jagged limestone forest with its spires sharp as blades. Some rise over 100 meters, forming a maze of stone needles. So dangerous that even walking here requires a harness, and it's still full of undiscovered species. This combination makes it Earth's most hostile jungle. 5. Fly Geyser, Nevada, the accidental wonderland. In the Nevada desert, a drilling accident created a masterpiece. When geothermal water escaped, it began building a cone of vibrant minerals, still growing to this day. The Fly Geyser sprays hot water 5 feet into the air, and its bright reds, greens, and yellows paint the scene like a sci-fi dream. 6. Socotra Island, Yemen, the alien garden. Socotra looks like it was terraformed by aliens. Its signature plant, the dragon's blood tree, has an umbrella canopy and bleeds red sap. 1/3 of all species here are found nowhere else. It's been called the most alien place on Earth, and it absolutely earns the title. 7. The Wave, Arizona, nature's painted sandstone. This place is like someone melted rock and swirled it into perfection. The Wave is a sandstone formation sculpted by wind over 190 million years. Its rippling curves and rich oranges and reds look too perfect to be natural. But getting there isn't easy. You'll need a permit and a tough hike. The reward? Pure alien poetry. 8. Cave of Crystals, Mexico, nature's crystal cathedral. Beneath Mexico's Neca mine lies an enormous cavern filled with crystals taller than houses. Some are 12 meters long and weigh over 50 tons, but don't get too close. Temperatures inside exceed 50 degrees Celsius, and without protective gear, you won't last long. It's the most beautiful death trap you've ever seen. 9. Jiangxia Dongsha, China, the Rainbow Mountains. In China's Gansu province, sandstone hills look like they've been painted with every crayon in the box. Layers of iron and minerals have stained the mountains in brilliant reds, yellows, blues, and purples. It's nature's most vivid art installation, millions of years in the making. 10. Pamukkale, Turkey. Frozen waterfalls of stone. At first glance, Pamukkale looks like a snow-covered cliff, but those are white travertine terraces. Built up from calcium-rich hot springs, warm water flows down the hillside, forming turquoise pools over solid white stone. It's not frozen. It's just magical geology. 11. Lençóis Maranhenses, Brazil, a desert full of lakes. Each rainy season, fresh water pools between the dunes of Lençóis Maranhenses, creating a maze of bright blue lagoons. It's like a beach in a desert and a freshwater paradise smashed together. And the weirdest part? The fish come back too, surviving in underground pockets until it rains again. 12. Richet Structure, Mauritania, Earth's giant eye. In the Sahara Desert lies a massive bullseye called the Richet Structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. This perfectly circular formation spans 50 kilometers. Visible from space, its origin remains debated. Erosion or ancient impact. Either way, it's one of Earth's strangest marks. 13. Wadi Rum, Jordan, Mars on Earth. You've probably seen Wadi Rum before. Its rust-red rocks and towering cliffs have been the backdrop for films like The Martian and Dune. With no vegetation and endless sand, it really does feel like Mars, but just with better food nearby. 14. Namib Sand Sea, Namibia. The oldest desert in motion. The Namib Desert is over 55 million years old, older than most species. Its winds constantly shift massive red-orange dunes, creating an ever-changing alien landscape. Ancient dry lake beds with blackened trees make the area look like a post-apocalyptic wasteland. Yet somehow, it teems with life, adapted to thrive in silence. 15. Antarctica's dry valleys. Life without ice. In the middle of Antarctica lies a paradox, a place with no ice. The McMurdo Dry Valleys haven't seen rain or snow in nearly 2 million years. Winds here blow up to 200 kilometers per hour, evaporating any moisture. It's so Mars-like. NASA uses it to test space rovers. If there's life on Mars, this is what it might look like. And just because you have stayed till the end, we have a bonus place for you. Lake Hillier, Australia. The bubblegum pink lake. From the air, it looks like someone spilled strawberry milk into the forest. Lake Hillier is bright pink, and no, it's not a filter. Scientists believe its vivid color comes from a mix of salt-loving algae and bacteria. Even more bizarre? It stays pink year-round and doesn't change when you scoop it into a container. A neon lake beside the deep blue Southern Ocean, nothing on Earth looks quite like it. So, which one made you say, no way that's real? Let us know in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing places from around the world. This is Matt Mind, and we've only scratched the surface of how strange our planet can be. See you in the next one.